Hello and welcome to yet another Bike Brewers video. Normally you're used to me being next to my partner Ron, but today it's gonna be just me. What do we got here today? Well, as you can see behind me, there are three beautiful dual sport / enduro machines. We are gonna go as Team Bike Brewers on 3 motorcycles to Morocco in a couple of weeks from now. And we're going to participate in the Sandraiders rally. Now, the Sandraiders rally is a Dakar inspired ride through Morocco. It takes about 6 days, and there are going to be different kinds of stages. But the idea is that we get to experience the spirit of the Dakar rally without the budgets, of course. It is meant for more amateur riders like myself. I'll be going with 2 other Bike Brewer members. Yeah, we're really looking forward to that. But we cannot participate in such an event without the proper riding gear. Now, as you're used from us, we normally talk and ride urban style motorcycles, cafe racers, scrambles, etc. But since these bikes are becoming more and more retro, we decided to participate in this event. Time for an unboxing. I have here a package that we've received from a company called 7MX, and 7MX is collaborating with us Bike Brewers, and they have sponsored us with some riding gear, and I want you to see what they've sent us. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. If you're interested in the Sandraiders rally and our adventures during that the Sandraiders rally, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and keep an eye on our socials. All right, first things first. I got 3 pieces of each in this box. First thing is this beautiful off-road jersey. What I like about this jersey is that it's extremely lightweight. It's got vents throughout, and the graphics look sick. I really like it. On top of that, we've added a small feature on the back. You got the Bike Brewers logo and the Dutch flag, because we are representing the Netherlands, because Bike Brewers is established in Amsterdam after all. Beautiful shirt, beautiful jersey, lightweight. We got 3 pieces of these, thanks to 7MX. If you want to find out how they hold up during during such a tough rally in Morocco, make sure you stay tuned. What else? Of course, riding pants. Now, I don't know about you, but I find it extremely difficult to find riding pants that sit right and that fit. Luckily, 7MX has sponsored us with a pair of their beautiful riding pants. What do we have here? This is the Fox Stable pants. It's completely black, and it's got the 7 graphics on the side and the 7 logo on the knees. It comes with additional hip pads that go on the inside. There's a wire mesh inside to prevent the material from sticking on your legs. There seems to be a nice stretch to it, which I like. And there's also a stretch section in the knee area, so that when you're standing and then sit down again and then stand up and sit down again, you don't experience any discomfort. All right, looking forward to wearing these. Next up, of course, a pair of 7 gloves, 7MX, should I say. Now, these are in the same theme as the shirt, and these are called the Annex 7 dot glove. I'm gonna try these out right now. I usually wear a size medium. As the saying goes, fits like a glove. Yeah, these are really comfortable. They seem to have these stitches on the tip of the index finger and the thumb. It's quite useful for when you try to touch a screen. It looks like there's some kind of suede material on the inside, which should ensure some extra grip while riding. Now, this line of clothes of 7MX, the Annex and the Fox clothing line, are really terrific. They come at an extremely interesting price point. The quality seems to be really nice. We will test them out extensively, but make sure you go onto their website 7MX and check out the gear that they have. All right. Okay. We will be riding on these motorcycles during the Sandraiders rally, and we will be riding in some pretty harsh conditions. And to keep our heads safe, we need proper helmets. Luckily, our friends at Bell decided they wanted to help us out. And they've sent us this massive box with 3 helmets. All right. I'll just take out one. Okay. If you bought a Bell helmet before, you'll be familiar with the packaging. Now, Bell packs their helmets really nicely. I really get a feeling that you're buying a quality product when you get one in your hands. And there's no difference with this particular helmet. Okay. There's the nice red Bell helmet cover. Feels like Christmas. All right. It's packed really nicely. All right. Wow. This is a really nice helmet. This is the Bell MX9 MIPS off-road helmet. It feels extremely lightweight. I don't know if you know about MIPS already. We wrote an article on Bike Brewers about it. I'll make sure to add a link to that. But it's a type of composition that is extremely lightweight. It has the advantages of carbon fiber, but it's not as expensive to produce as carbon fiber. It's got the nice peak. We chose the red, white, and blue theme. And I'm just gonna try and fit it right now. It's a size medium, which is my size. Right. I don't know if you can tell, but it sits really snug. It fits perfectly with my head shape. Of course, you need to fit it to know for sure, right? I'm really looking forward to trying this out in the field. Thank you, Bell, for helping us out with this. And yeah, if you want to know how these helmets stand during the Sandraiders rally, make sure you follow us. During the Sandraiders rally, we will be recording our adventures on our mobile phones, trying to keep you up to date about all our adventures. Peak Design has decided they wanted to help us out. So they sent us the following. All right. I don't know if you know, Peak Design is a brand new state-of-the-art technology, I should say. State-of-the-art mobile phone and camera holders. They sent us a set of these motorcycle bar mounts. We've got 2 handlebar mounts and 1 ball adapter. Besides that, we also got sent a case that fits my particular mobile phone. They offer many different cases for a range of brands. But in case you have a mobile phone that is odd shaped or not in their catalog. They also supply this universal adapter which has an adhesive on it and it clicks on it. What makes Peak Design so special? I'll show you. Well, these boxes haven't been opened yet, so that's what an unboxing video is for. That's 1, 2. All right. Okay. First things, nicely packed, almost like when you're buying a brand new high-end smartphone. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, first things first, there is the mount that goes on your handlebar. It has a piece of rubber here. It acts like a bushing between the holder and your handlebar. First thing I notice is that it's made out of aluminium and it looks really solid. It feels really solid. The second thing I noticed is that it has a very particular mount. Now, this has a built-in vibration damper, which is going to be extremely necessary if we want to keep our mobile phones safe. Inside the box, there are a couple of things. It comes with a designated Allen key, as well as some adapters to allow the mount to fit your handlebar. There are 2 kinds of adapters, actually 3 in total. The one supplied on it already and 2 in this box here for various sizes handlebars. So that's pretty neat. Let's put this back. Okay. I guess this is pretty self-explanatory. It's not really rocket science or anything, but what I'm really looking forward to is trying this out in the field. You know, the problem with most mobile phone holders is that the vibration really kills the camera. This one has a built-in vibration damper. The other problem that I have with most mobile phone holders is that it's a little bit cumbersome to put the phone on, especially when you're wearing gloves. Peak Design has promised that they have a solution for that, and I'm gonna try it out for myself right now. They say that you can connect and disconnect your mobile phone with the minimum amount of effort. Actually, you can do it with one hand. You'll never have to search for a slot to push, which is great, especially if you're riding. I don't know about you guys, I ride a lot with my friends, and every time I have to connect or disconnect my phone, I need to take off my gloves. Now, if you're wearing those nice thin summer gloves, that's okay, but here in the Netherlands it gets cold quite often, and I ride all year round. So okay, so this is the holder that I got for my phone. Not the holder, the cover. It has this neat piece at the back that folds up and allows you to stick your finger in it so that you can hold your phone stably and more securely. It really looks nice. It feels nice. It's kind of like a fabric, and the cover is made out of a durable. It's a durable material. I'm gonna look up what the material is exactly, but it looks and feels good. Now the idea is that if I put these together, that they mate instantly. That's sick. That was. Okay, watch again. That's it, secure. I'm gonna try this out in Morocco. And then at the back, all you have to do is pinch, pull, done. Peak Design. Really looking forward to using these. We really would like to thank our sponsors, 7MX, Bell Helmets, and Peak Design for helping us by sponsoring us with the best equipment that we can imagine. to ride safe and to enjoy the experience of participating in the Sandraiders Rally. Obviously, we will try to keep you up to date about our adventures, but in case you missed that and you missed those live, make sure you head out to bikebrewers.com, because we will write a full review on all the gear and equipment that we've used during the Sandraiders Rally. So stay tuned and see you on the flip side.